Imagine studying in one of the best universities in Asia without worrying about financial burden. Well, your dreams can become a reality with fully funded scholarship opportunities at the prestigious King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia. To know how prestigious this institution is, the U.S. News ranked the university second in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, 11th in best global universities in Asia, and 95th in best universities in the world. In this video, we will discuss the fully funded scholarship opportunity at the university and the process of applying for this prestigious scholarship opportunity. The King Abdullah University of Science and Technology offers all admitted students the KAUST Fellowship to support their full need for the duration of their graduate studies. The fellowship is a fully funded program that provides financial support to outstanding students from around the world to pursue graduate studies at the university. The scholarship program covers the full cost of the tuition and fees, monthly living allowance from $20,000 to $30,000 annually, depending on qualifications and degree progress, on-campus housing, medical and dental coverage, and relocation support. As part of the fellowship benefits, students will work on some of the most pressing issues facing the world today, from environmental crises to global water and food supply challenges. Students will explore next-level research at the university with world-class faculty to solve the problems of the future today. To apply for the fellowship program, we need to learn about the courses at the university, the eligibility criteria, and the application requirements, which we are discussing in a moment. But before we get started, welcome to International Scholars, your only plug to fully funded scholarships worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated on latest scholarship opportunities. Thank you. The King Abdullah University of Science and Technology is a private research university located in Thual, Saudi Arabia. Founded in 2009, it is the first research university in Saudi Arabia to offer graduate degrees in science, engineering, computer science, and applied mathematics. King Abdullah University has a world-class faculty and student body with over 1,200 students from more than 60 countries. The university offers a variety of graduate programs, including master's with thesis, doctoral, the combined master's and doctoral program, and a one-year professional postgraduate program, which was a new program for the 2023 academic session. The university offers master's and PhD programs in science and engineering, which include applied mathematics, engineering courses, physical sciences, computer sciences, and statistics. Before we move to the level-specific program requirements at the university, let us take a look at the general admission requirements for graduate applications to the university. If you are interested, you will need to submit the following: 1. Official university transcripts. 2. Curriculum vitae. 3. Statement of purpose. 4. 3 letters of recommendation. 5. Official TOEFL or IELTS academic score. And lastly, an official GRE score. For the official transcripts and school records, you are required to provide official and comprehensive academic record, including transcripts, mark sheets, graduation certificates, and academic records from all previous institutions you have attended. Please upload scanned copies of the official transcripts in their original language along with certified English translations when submitting your online application. Ensure that the transcripts also include the grading scale used by the respective universities for all the documents you submit. In the event of admission, it is essential to send an official final transcript to the Office of Admissions before your arrival as part of the onboarding process. Please ensure that this final transcript is sealed in an envelope to maintain its official status. For the curriculum vitae, you are required to provide the summary of your job experience and research experience. Any other relevant information should also be submitted with your application. If you have publications, please include abstracts of these in your resume. Statement of purpose. Your statement of purpose should contain 750 words concerning your past work, preparation for the intended field of study, relevant background and interests, academic plans, and career objectives. Please describe your reasons for applying to the particular program at the university for which you are seeking admission. You must provide 3 letters of recommendation submitted on your behalf. Letters of recommendation are important and should be written by professors or advisors under whom you have pursued research or taken courses in your major field of study. These recommendation letters should be submitted through the application directly from the recommender. Applicants are required to meet the English proficiency requirements to be eligible for admission at the university. You are required to submit any of the following English proficiency scores. 1. A score of 6.5 in the IELTS with at least 5.5 in each individual section. 2. A TOEFL test score of 79 overall, With at least 17 in all individual sections, the KAUST admissions code is 4107. 3. A score of 62 overall in the Pearson Test of English, PTE, with at least 59 in each section. 4. A score of 176 overall in the C1 proficiency test, with a minimum of 169 in all individual sections. Note that only official academic results will be accepted, and tests administered by an educational institution for admissions to that particular institution are not acceptable. An English score is not required if the applicant received a degree from an accredited institution in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, or New Zealand. Lastly, applicants may submit the Graduate Record Examination, GRE. The university does not require the GRE exam for admission. However, you are welcome to submit your scores if you have taken the exam. Official test results can be sent directly to the university admissions using the GRE code 4139. Now, for master's degree applicants. Admission to the Master of Science program requires the satisfactory completion of an undergraduate science degree in a relevant or related area, such as engineering, mathematics, or the physical, chemical, and biological sciences. Applicants are expected to meet the general degree requirement, thesis requirements, and other necessary study requirements. Applicants are recommended to go through their respective graduate programs to learn more about their eligibility. For PhD applicants, admission to the Doctor of Philosophy program requires the satisfactory completion of an undergraduate or master's degree in science in a relevant or related area, such as engineering, mathematics, or the physical, chemical, and biological sciences. There are 3 phases and associated milestones for PhD students. These are passing a qualifying exam, passing an oral defense of the dissertation proposal, and dissertation phase with a final defense milestone. For more information on graduate application, please check the links in the description below. To apply, check the description below for the application link. Fill in your personal information, your interest in KAUST, which is basically the educational career you want to pursue at the university. Create your login information. Then, click Submit Information. You would be asked to log in. Do so with the username and password you created earlier. Once that is done, you will be asked to input your zip code and agree to the term of use and their privacy policy. Do so and click Continue and Create to proceed to the next section. Start your application, but before that, read the info on the application for admission. Enter details on the program of study you are interested in. Save and continue to the next section. Fill in the information on sponsorship, if you are going to be sponsored at the university, and then save and move to the next section. Provide and update your personal information. Complete the additional information section and provide details about your identity. Save and continue to the next section. Enter your contact information, save, and also provide the emergency contact information. Provide information on your previous education, the dates attended and graduated or expected graduation date, overall grade, transcript upload, and other required information. Add information for any other school attended if applicable. Proceed to the Statement of Purpose section. You have to upload your statement of purpose and resume in this section. You will type a 750-word statement of purpose in a document in any of the formats provided, discussing the 3 key points provided in your application. Also, upload your resume in the space provided and move to the next section. If you have taken any standardized tests, input the details in the provided sections and save your application. If you have any lab research experience, provide the details of that experience. Move to the next section and provide any other information required for your application. Lastly, you will need to invite 3 recommenders to provide recommendations for you. Add their details, and the university will send them a mail regarding your requests. Use the Check Your Application section to see your application status and for reviewing your application. In case you need any help during your application, use the Application Instructions section for guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you throughout your application. Share with families and friends. You are welcome.